Welcome back to my channel, my donuts. It's been a while since I filmed a video, but I got a bunch of new stuff, and I even told Junior, I was like, I need to film because I got all these new things. I want to try them out, do something on my face, but I for sure want to use this palette. It's the Through My Eyes I Love Sarai collaboration with ColourPop, and the colors are so pretty. So I want to use this, and I want to use this color. I'm trying to think what shades I can use that will fit with that. So I don't know, maybe I'll go crazy, maybe I won't. Oh, my cookies are ready. Babe, can you take them out? Thanks, baby.
Play.
Drive with.
This one? This one?
And you need to go to the lower tower here. So follow it.
The yellow one?
Yeah, but be careful, don't crash.
What if I crash? Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! I crashed. Oh my god. Where am I going? That girl talks funny.
I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade. I did switch up the color. I got the color chocolate for like about 3 years straight, but since I am going dark on my hair, I bought dark brown, and there is a difference. My eyebrows look darker, but it like matches my hair now. Eyebrows are done. My brother-in-law said hola cochos. I will link his Snapchat name somewhere in here so y'all can follow him. I'm going to be carving out my eyebrows. This concealer is $6 at Ulta. They finally have ColourPop at Ulta, and I was very iffy about it, but at the same time I heard good reviews about it, so that's how I was like, you know what, I'm gonna test it. Oh my god.
What?
You like so ran over someone. I was like, I'm gonna test it out. If I like it, lo voy a regresar, cause you know, if I don't use something or if I don't like it, I return it. Common sense. If y'all hear Junior in the background, he's playing the photo. We're grocery shopping, and I got bunny cookies. I'm gonna do the YouTube thing. I got these bunny cookies because Easter is around the corner, and also we're gonna go see Bad Bunny in March. Well, like by the end of this month. Get you a man who brings you snacks when you're doing your makeup. Thanks, babe! Look how cute my niece is. I'm filming, and when I post this video, she's gonna be on there. You like my background? It's a cow. Because I like Chick-fil-A. Back to actually doing my makeup and filming.
Hi, my baby bean.
You wanna say hi? Say hi to my donuts. I'm gonna go in with Wild Soul. This one right here. We're gonna pop it in like a transition shade. right here. It is called, I don't even know how to say it. Babe, can you help me with this color? How do you say that one?
Euphoric.
Euphoric. And I'm going to just use this as like a second transition color, but just a little bit, poquito. Go with this bottom shade right here. It is called Misbehave. And I'm gonna pop that in the lid and just drag it up a little bit by blending. Now I'm gonna go in with Divina. This is the darkest shade in the palette, and it's like a purple plum. It's very pretty. And this one, we're gonna put it in the middle of the eyelid. And just move it side to side slowly, but you do want the dark color to pop up. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the face. I'm gonna come back to the eyes later, but I am also excited to use the skincare stuff that I did get from Sephora. Oh, they also got skincare stuff. From like my Beauty Insider thing. I'm barely on the first level, but that's okay. So I got this Tarte Hydrating Boost serum, or I don't know what it. Oops! It's like jelly form, and it smells really good. And if you have dry skin, this will make your skin feel like you drank a big glass of water. Like your face, you just like dripped it in water, if that makes sense. And you can kind of see that it brings out my redness. It's okay, that's what this foundation is for. When I'm done with it, I'm just gonna press it onto my skin. Oh dang. Look good when I put the highlight on, contour, blush, concealer. It all ties together. Makeup is a process. I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop concealer. A little goes a long way with this, so. The first time I used it, I put on a lot, and it literally covered all of this. Like this and like up to here. I was like, oh my god. I need to calm down with this. Just for the fun of the video, I'm gonna put some glitter. To set, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder, and I'm going to be using the little sponge that actually came with this, just because I found it way more easier to use this other than your beauty blender. Like you get a better matte face when you use this one. And also, like, your beauty blender doesn't get dry after a while from using it to set your concealer. A lot goes a lot. A lot is in this little container, so I wouldn't even rather, you see, I can't talk. I wouldn't even bother to buy the bigger size. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna last me like a good half a year. Cause that little one was expensive. Bronze and contour the face. I'm gonna be using this one. This one is actually from a contour palette from Tarte. It's huge, so I don't want to take that big thing with me, so I just pop out these two out because I use them a lot, and I put them in a James Avery box, and if it's in my makeup bag. Nice and bronzed. Oh man, I broke my blush. I was like running out of it too. The only reason why I have this Tarte blush is because so now I'm just gonna grab some blush. This one is in the shade Feisty. I like this one because it's not too pink. It's not like, oh my god. Some mascara on my little eyelashes. I'm not gonna put on eyeliner just because the eyelashes I do have are pretty dramatic, and I don't want it to look too crazy, so I'm just gonna coat my eyelashes. Are you serious? Do you see that, babe?
What? Yeah.
Look! What? I'll put that in slow motion. Hold on.
Are you serious? Did you see that? Yeah.
Oh. When you have an accident like this, you're gonna wait for it to dry, because if you automatically like try to fix it, it's gonna get worse. So we're just gonna let it dry and go back to coating my eyelashes. Go back to fixing the problem that happened to us. So you're gonna get any kind of spoolie, and you're just gonna rub on. Well, let me stand up so y'all can see. So you're just gonna do this. And it's gone. You see? If it takes off your foundation, just take your sponge and dab it in a little bit, not too much. These eyelashes, I actually got them at H&E. They're a new style. I don't know what they're called, but they start with a C, and it has like an M in it. I like forgot, but it's like a weird name, and they're $6, I think. But they're so pretty. Qué diferencia. Eyelashes make a huge difference. Okay, so we're not done yet. We're gonna add some highlight. This is from the I Love Sarai and Dose of Colors collaboration in the color Soulmate. Can you believe I'm gonna have to take all of this makeup off just to go to sleep? It is like 10. The story about me going to Sephora was pretty funny. Me and Junior were going home, and we live very close to I cannot talk at all. Very close to a JCPenney, and it's one of those JCPenney's that has a Sephora inside. I think all of them now have a Sephora, and it was they closed at 9 and it was 8:50. I was one of those customers that came in literally 10 minutes before they closed, but they didn't even notice. I like sped through there. I was like, you know what, I honestly just need my eyebrow stuff because I was drying, it was like getting dried out and I was running out either way. And then I was like, oh, let me look around for a little bit, because I did see some other people in there. And then there was like 2 of these, and I'm like, so I got this. And when I was paying, you know how they have the little thing right there with a bunch of little minis? That's like my danger zone. I cannot look there. And I was looking, and then I got this. So I was only supposed to spend like 20 bucks and ended up spending 40 more. Story of my life. And so this is the final look of this video. I had lots of fun playing with this palette and also showing you guys and reviewing.
Oh, I forgot one last thing.
I did get this, dang, I just spit. Say it, don't spray it, girl. Forest of the Sea Tarts 4-in-1 Setting Mist.
It's so tiny to set my makeup. This smells like lemon juice. It feels very nice on the skin. Too bad I'm going to sleep. I'm over here like putting primer and setting spray when I never do when I'm actually going somewhere, and I'm actually about to take all this off and go to sleep.
Is the final look of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you want to see more videos of me spending money to see if things are worth it or not. And I'll see you in my next video.